All right, liquefied natural gas market. Welcome to the Premier League. Liquefied natural gas, from its name, is a natural gas liquefied under very low temperature of minus 162 degrees Celsius. Conventional natural gas under this temperature reduces its volume for about 600 times and becomes liquid. So then it could be packed on a tanker and shipped to destinations to which building a pipeline will be feasible economically. Perhaps due to these reasons, we see the growth of this market, and also due to comparative environmental friendliness of natural gas comparing to gasoline, coal, and other carbon-based fuels. It was estimated 265 million tons in 2016, and in 2025 it is expected that the production will reach 400 million tons. To give you a perspective, 265 million tons is about 6% from global oil consumption. The liquefied natural gas market operates very complex mechanical freezers that provide temperature minus 162 degrees Celsius. Enabling factors for the LNG market include the demand from natural gas distribution, petrochemicals, power sector, mining and industry, quite expectedly. Favorable governmental regulations, including investments in fuel substitution, investments in infrastructure, and all these factors together led to reduced costs of LNG, so the market gets traction. However, limiting factors include insufficient pipeline infrastructure in remote areas, dependence on the substantial natural gas spreads that is pumped traditionally in pipelines, because LNG is more expensive than traditional natural gas for about 30%. So the producers need to observe quite carefully where the price of the natural gas currently is the highest, and then they could offer an alternative, an LNG, and make their profits. Now, another factor is that liquefaction takes about 30% of the total value chain cost, beginning from the production of natural gas at the extraction wells to regasification in the end of the shipment. And 30% is quite significant. It's important to say here that liquefaction is basically refrigeration at a very low temperature. And also regulations against greenhouse gases that again will impact this sector as well. Now, these enabling and limiting factors suggest that the LNG sector in future will keep growing its infrastructure, but will also look for the ways to reduce the cost of liquefaction. And liquefaction means refrigeration. So once again, a very advanced product, this time in the energy sector, which requires a sophisticated refrigeration system, which is again affordable, efficient, preferably environmental friendly, but at this low temperature regulations do not influence it that much as, for example, in the frozen food sector. And having this system, the sector could potentially be more competitive with this LNG product and compete with the conventional industry.